in a van by the river. That's the best place to be.
Or just by the river.
Just by the
You
river.
don't necessarily need the van involved.
Right? Even better.
Even better, have the Sasquatch.
And even better be in the mountains.
Yeah, that too.
So that's where we are. We are in the mountains north of Durango at Cascade. We took the Durango
To Silverton.
Silverton train, which this time of the year stops
In Cascade
in
Canyon.
Cascade and turns around.
So that's where we're at.
Yeah, exactly. But we're gonna show y'all the train. We've got a train ride back, and then tomorrow we pick the Sasquatch up
You know?
and head home. Just
But
made a little.
you know it's never a straight line back home.
No, it's never a straight line
Ever.
back home.
So
Absolutely.
we'll meander our way back home, and
Yeah.
you'll get to see the trip on the way.
That's exactly right. By the time we get home, the azaleas are going to be blooming.
And I'll be out on the corner.
Oh my goodness. Let's get after it. Back to the train. Adios, everybody.
Bye.
Love y'all.
Love you too.
Bye. Love you too. You
You too.
Have a good trip. You too.
Mwah.
Adios.
Bye.